back again. What is up, my people? I cannot wait, guys. Look at my car. It looks nice and clean. Boy, look at this wire. I'm like, man, you missed a lot, man. I'm putting this big ball in salt. You feel me? You feel me? What is up, my people? And welcome back to one of the strongest, happiest families on the YouTube. Even though we have, how many subscribers, Dave?
Like 120 something. That's right.
But anyways, if you like and subscribe, we'll make it 130 maybe, hopefully. But don't worry about it. If I'm doing this for the 22 people that watch every single day, bro, I'll still do it for you, fam. I like every single one of you, and that if I make one video and I get one view, at least I make one person happy. Hallelujah. And that will be me. Alright, let's go. Get in my Lambo. Show them a good view of these tires. So these tires are premium. They are from Amazon and original. Look at the brake. It is a little rusty, but it still does the job. It brakes good. And I mean, the interior, come show them. The interior, I put new this on it. This is a little ripped. I have this, but you're not going to get it. I'll take it out. The camera does not come along. Leather seats, nice. It burns. Sure, it burns. Trust me. This car, when it is hot, outside and you sit in it, David can witness. It burns your cheeks. It burns so it's so hot. But I mean, you can buy it and cover the seats up. It is a good fast car if you're going to drive it 1 year. And then sell it off to another person for $50. That's how much it was. But if you want it, comment down below. I will give it to you for probably free. No, not free, but you have to pay me some money. Then I will take it. Then I'll give it to you. Then you take the car. And yeah, I'm selling this car. I'm being for real. I am being for real. Alright, let's go to Walmart. We have some school shopping to do. I don't like it when I have hair in my mouth and my face. Oh my god. Like my ponytail looks so cute. Like I got it all like, look at that. It's like all brown and I like it. Like, oh my god. For a second I thought my wig fell off. Today we ran into a traitor. Why are you running? Dokasi. Today we are going to hunt. Get out, everybody, go hunter. We found out our sister comes to Starbucks and trades on us, eh? We cannot accept this. Hurry up, people.
Tyler Banks went to Giant Eagle, come out, we didn't get food.
Me and David came to a picnic by ourselves. How do you like this? Ready, set, go now. Boom!
David, let's do it. Ready?
Hey, are you calling him fat? Send it!
No, don't send it! It's gonna be fine.
Send
it! Well, that hurt, but the ET still runs, so round two.
Jesus,
well, no. Well, you have to clean up your mess now.
What is this?
What is that?
What is this?
And why is it naked? Why is it naked? Wow! Hey, viewers discretion advice. You'll see nudes in my channel.
No, let's not look at the other side.
And I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to send it and it dubbing them like a minute. Yeah.